Hi, Gareth here from Port Monkeys, and I'm with Janet.
Hi.
And we're going to take a quick look at a inside cabin on the Diamond Princess. So this is cabin B242, Baja Deck 242. First we'll just go in here. This is not our cabin, we're just dropping by. So you have a USB port, light switch, drawers, a big mirror, USB port, light switch on the other side. Right. More drawers. Piece of artwork. Here. There's the television. And that's all the live channels. People always ask, what live channels? That's it. There's 2 down there and those 9. Other than that, you're going to be watching old TV series or movies. Well, some are new. Got your temperature up there. It's 3 o'clock. Oh. Little refrigerator. And it's sort of cold in there. Not real cold. A chair. A desk with a bunch of clothes on it. Some drawers. Little shelves here. And cashews. Blow dryer. 2 what I would call USA outlets, and 1 outlet that says Universal Socket 220 only. So that's not USA, even though it says Universal. Thermostat. Automatic lights. Closet. It's got a ladder in here. Shelf. Lots of hangers. So this must have a bunk that drops down. I know some people want to see those. I don't know why that's going out of focus. Safe, shelves, laundry, and a bathroom. So it's got a shower, it's got shampoo and conditioner, and then shower gel and pressure and temperature. The water temperature has not been good on the ship. Not hot. They came and tested it yesterday. It's got a shaver outlet. So.
Clothesline.
Of course, Janet says it's got a clothesline. This is a good place to dry your clothes because of this little vent here. It actually circulates air, and so it's pretty dry in here when you're not taking a shower. And lotion and hand soap. And a shelf down below. So these 3 shelves and a shelf down below. And that's an inside cabin. And I would say it's about the size of a balcony cabin. It just doesn't have a balcony. So from the Diamond Princess, this is Gareth.
And Janet.
Saying Port Monkeys out.
We'll see you in the next port.
Bye.
Bye.
Yes, using one. Oh. Touched it.
Look at the concentration on her face.
Go, Janet.
Come on, Janet. Go, Janet. Go, Janet. One more and she gets it. One more. We're X. Higher.
Ladies, come on,
Higher.
ladies.